Okay, guys, we're going to take a look at some of the key differences between a short sale and a foreclosure. Very important to break everything down when you're deciding which is the best route for you to go. So let's get started.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then House Cash In gets the cash flowing.
First key factor you're going to want to look at, what are the credit effects of a short sale versus a foreclosure? As I discussed previously in the video, a short sale does have a negative effect on your credit. However, compared to a foreclosure, it's much less of a negative impact on your credit. Another important thing to remember is when your future creditor, whether it's a credit card company, a bank, whoever, guys, when they look at that credit report, it looks a lot better for them to see a short sale than a foreclosure, because you're explaining to them, or they're seeing rather, that you were able to make an effort to settle on your bad debt. Second factor you want to look at is relocation assistance. With a foreclosure, relocation assistance is possible. Typically it's in the form of cash for keys, but it's a lot less common and it's a lot less likely. And really it's a case-by-case basis, and you have no way of knowing whether or not the bank's going to pay you to leave. With a short sale, as we discussed previous, as long as the loan that's defaulting is in your primary name, if that home is listed as your primary residence, then you're automatically qualified for relocation assistance. The only other factor you need to come into play is whether or not the investor on the loan offers relocation assistance. If those two factors meet, congratulations, you get relocation in a short sale. The third and final factor you want to look at is saving yourself money. How much is it going to cost you out of pocket doing a foreclosure compared to a short sale? I can tell you right now, foreclosures are very expensive. You could look to spend up to, just on lawyer fees alone, in the thousands of dollars. On average, it costs around $7,500 or more for a homeowner to perform a foreclosure. Short sale, on the other hand, if it's processed correctly, it should cost you nothing. Because remember, the bank is the seller on the HUD. So the decision's up to them, and they're acting as the final seller on that settlement sheet. So typically, they're going to pay most, if not all, of your closing cost. Guys, I hope that helps, and I look forward to speaking with you on the next video. Have a great day.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then House Cash In gets the cash flowing.